Good morning and welcome to Mrs. Achari's Kindergarten Cabin for this week's first writing lesson. So today what I'm going to be teaching you guys is what it means to have an opinion about something. So I'm going to start out with a little story. Last night we got finished with dinner and our family wanted to have some dessert. Well, my husband said, "What would everybody like for dessert?" So I was personally full. I didn't want anything, so I said, "No, thank you. I'm good. I don't want any." But Abby, Jay, and Ivan all had a different idea of what they wanted. Ivan said, "I think we should have ice cream because it's hot outside." Abby said, "I think we should have frozen yogurt because it's a little bit healthier and it's hot outside." And Jay said, "I think we should have cookies." So my husband and I looked at each other and said, "Well, which one are we going to do?" And we chose Abby's, and here's why. Because she gave us more reasons why we should. Ivan gave one reason, because it's hot outside. She gave in two reasons, because it's healthy and it's hot outside. And then Jay didn't give us any reasons why we should have cookies. So the point of my story is when you have an opinion about something or you feel a certain way about something, you need to make sure that you tell people why you feel that way, and then it gives them more of a reason to believe you or to listen to your opinion. All right, so I have my little pig friend here with me today, and I brought him in since we were talking about food. And he said, "I think we should just have dessert because any kind of dessert is good." So I brought my pig friend with me today to help me with today's lesson on opinion. Okay, so as you guys know, throughout the year, we have learned about different types of writing, okay? And we've learned about writing true stories. We've learned about writing how-to books. And we've also learned about writing all about books. Well, writing is kind of the same as dogs. What? We've had this conversation before, remember? Remember that writing is like dogs because there are different types of dogs in the world that have a different purpose. Some dogs are raised so that they can go catch birds when people go hunting. Some dogs are raised as pets and they just hang out at home and they're just there to be with you and be your friend. Some dogs are raised to help people who are blind or people who are sick. So all dogs have a different purpose, okay? And writing is the same thing. All different types of writing have a purpose. And the type of writing that we're going to be learning about now is called opinion writing. Opinion writing is when you give your opinion about something and you have to have reasons for it, okay? So there are some special words that we use when we do opinion writing or when we start talking about our opinion, okay? And my little piggy friend is going to tell you what those are. I think because. Okay, so I think and because are three very special words that we use when we do opinion writing. Okay, so let me take the top off, please. The words are I think. That's when you're giving your opinion. I think we should have pizza for dinner because it has a lot of cheese and pepperoni and it tastes so good. Okay? And then the other word that we need to be thinking about is this big word, because. Okay? You have to say why you think the way you do. I think pizza is the best dinner because it has a lot of cheese. Okay? So I use the word because. Okay? So now I want you to try that with someone at home, or you can just say it out loud to me, even though I'm not right there. I want you to say, and I think because, and here's what your question is going to be. What do you think is the best dinner to have and why? What is the best dinner to have and why? Oh, you want to tell? Okay. I'll give you guys a minute. Oh my gosh. I love all those dinners too. You guys are just coming up with some great dinners that I like too. Okay. So I'm going to start. I think salad is a great dinner because you can have all the major food groups in it. You can have vegetables, you can have meat, and you can also have, if you want to add some crackers or something, you can have some breads. Okay, so that's why I think salads are the best dinner, and also because they make you feel light, and it's so hot outside, you don't want to eat anything that makes you feel really heavy. Okay, so that's why I think salad is the best dinner. Did you notice how I gave a lot of different reasons? I didn't just say I think salad is the best dinner, because you wouldn't believe me, right? Okay, so let's let Piggy try it. Piggy's going to tell you why he thinks salad, or what he thinks is the best dinner. Oh, it's not salad.
I think mashed potatoes and gravy is the best dinner because it fills my tummy up and it's so warm and yummy. I love potatoes.
Okay, so that's what Piggy likes for dinner. Okay, so when you tell your opinion, again, you have to make sure that you give lots of reasons, okay? So going back to a question that I asked all of you last week, the question was, what would make the world a better place? What would make the world a better place? I got lots of really awesome ideas, you guys, but the one I think that we are going to write about together in my YouTube videos is going to be that we need to be kind to make the world a better place. I loved that idea, and I agree 100% with the people who said that showing kindness to people is definitely going to make the world a better place. So here's what I want you to be thinking about. What are 3 reasons why it is important to show kindness? And when I meet with you guys during your Zoom meetings in the next couple of days, I'm going to be asking you that same question. Why do you think it is important to show kindness to people? And why would that make the world a better place? So be thinking, I think showing kindness would make the world a better place because, okay? And I'm not going to say mine yet because I'm really curious to hear what your ideas are, okay? So remember what we've covered today, an introduction to opinion writing. When you give your opinion about something, or when you tell someone how you feel, you must have reasons for the way you feel. You can't just say it and hope everybody's going to believe you. You must have reasons for it, okay? And that's why we say, I think, and because when we are giving our opinion. I want you to practice that today. I bet all of you are really trying to get your parents to let you do certain things during the day or in the evening. So maybe you should practice your opinion skills by saying, I think you should let me jump on the trampoline, Mom, because I really need to get some exercise today. All right, kiddos, Piggy and I are going to head out. Look forward to seeing you all this week. Have a wonderful day.